What's up guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to scan all your apps installed in the Play Store using Play Protect to see if they have any harmful behaviors. So go ahead and open up your Play Store guys, then click your profile in the upper right hand side. You'll find the Play Protect option here in the list. Click on that, and here you will see all the apps that you have. Now you will see if there's any harmful apps because it will most likely scan for you. As you can see, mine scan 33 minutes ago, but you can simply click the scan and it will scan all of those apps on your phone. And as you can see, it shows the amount of apps that I have there, and it will go through and scan my apps. Now as you can see, the purpose of this app is to regularly check your apps and device for harmful behavior. So you'll be notified if it finds any kind of harmful behavior or your phone is at any kind of security risk. And this is a very quick scan. As you can see, mine is already done. So if you want to learn how to use the Play Protect to scan your apps for harmful activities, this is how you check it guys, and this is how you do it. Very easy and very simple.